All right, so we're back. I went down in my parts bin and I happened to find my original brake cover for this saw that it came out when I got it, and it still has the brake flag with the hardware attached. So it looks like what happened with this, it just kind of rattled out. So we'll go ahead and swap this over. Probably just take the parts out of it for now. Keep the same brake flag for now. And then when I need to swap it out for another one, I'll use this one. So we'll go ahead and pop this one off. I gotta get a scrunch. Probably also wasn't very well assembled from the factory either. I hope it's in the off position. Otherwise we're gonna have some problems. Captive nuts are one of the best things on a 5 Series in my opinion. The ability not to be able to lose these in the middle of the woods is huge. Lose your bar nuts, you're not having a good day. Alright, so we got that off of there. I'm almost thinking we put some Loctite on it, but we'll see. So this is the aftermarket one. Flag. I guarantee it just wasn't assembled very tight. And these 395, 394s are just rattle monsters. Every pretty much bolt comes apart and then backs out. There's a whole thing on these and more or less how to use Loctite on most of your bolts that are just blue Loctite to hold things down because everything rattles out. Huge pain in the butt. Alright, how does this come apart? Got the bolt out, now I gotta figure out how to get this out of here. Trying to get underneath it to pry it out. It's pushed in. Sketchy. break this handle. If anyone's got any better ideas on how to get this out, please let me know.